The goal is that every trip is uneventful and all animals arrive at their destination in good shape and in a timely fashion. However, life is not perfect, and emergencies can arise ranging from animal injuries to traffic accidents, road construction issues, border crossing delays, weather problems, or a mechanical breakdown. All of these possibilities make transporting live cargo more complicated. Driver safety and that of other travelers must come first. With that said, the driver is expected to do everything possible to ensure the safety and health of the cattle on the load. A plan should be in place for any potential problem, and drivers must be trained on those procedures. A call list for who should be notified should be easily accessible and followed so directions can be given based on the emergency. So how should each instance be handled? In severe cases of animal injury, contact the dispatcher for instructions regarding veterinary assistance, potential unloading sites, or other instructions. Under no circumstances should a driver enter the trailer compartment. In case of an accident, notify both the police and the dispatcher. Be sure the police know you are carrying live cattle. Place reflectors or flares around the truck or trailer and follow police instructions.